If YouTube Premium background play is not working, here are a few fixes you can try. First, open the YouTube app and check if your premium subscription is still active. Tap your profile icon, open Settings, then go to Purchases and Memberships. If your subscription has expired, background play will stop working. Next, go back to Settings and open Playback and toggle on the option of Picture-in-Picture. After that, check your phone's battery settings. Press and hold the YouTube app icon, open App Info, then go to Battery. Set it to Unrestricted or allow background activity so your phone doesn't stop YouTube from running in the background. You should also open the Picture-in-Picture settings and make sure that feature is enabled. Another important step is updating the YouTube app. Open the Play Store or App Store, search for YouTube, and install any available updates. Once everything is updated and enabled, restart the app and test background play again. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech tips and tutorials.